Amada's mission statement is about growing together with their customers, and one way of doing this is by automating everything. Well, we've come here to Kidderminster, to their technical centre, where they're holding an exhibition. We're going to see their technology, but also meet the customers themselves.
Amada, a Japanese company, sheet metal machinery. We are a premium supplier of sheet metal machinery in the UK. The machines are built in Japan and France, sold and serviced from the UK. We are the largest service outfit in the UK for looking after sheet metal machinery. We are the best there is, that's it. Well, it's an open house event for our customers. It's an opportunity for them to come and see our new and best machines. But it's an opportunity for face-to-face time with not just their salesmen, but to see the engineers, the support teams, the hotline, all the other people that they interact with daily. It's an opportunity to see the best. It's an opportunity to see what's next, what's coming, what innovations are they, how can they improve, how can they grow, how can they meet their customers' demands. That's the important thing. They've got targets they've got to achieve, they've got to supply their customers. What they can see here is what's coming next, what they can aspire to, and it's good for them to come and see everyone and have a bite to eat while they're here as well.
So I started at Amada in '97 as a toolmaker, moved into the showroom as a technical consultant, then into tooling sales, and now I'm area sales manager for South Wales, Worcestershire and Gloucestershire, and I love my job working for Amada. We're a family sort of orientated business. Even though we're a large company, we like to think of it as the Amada family, and so I like that personal level with the customer, and I find that the more we do that with the customer, the more confidence they get and the better the relationship.
We're LGM Engineering, based in Surrey. We've been going 12 years. I've been an Amada customer for about 9 of those. I think I used another brand before that, and then I just kept getting visited by the sales rep, and in the end we struck up a rapport. I bought the Amada press first, and then the service I got from them was, you couldn't beat it, it was exceptional. So I went further, deeper, laser, more equipment. I've had engineers in my place in like 3 hours. From a call, I'm expecting a call back and the engineer's already arrived. Well, it means there's less downtime. So as soon as if we have a problem and someone's there straight away, we can be back up and running really quickly, same day.
We're looking at buying a new laser, which is going to replace one of the older punches that we have. It's probably going to be 3 times faster than what we do. It's going to remove other processes, so we won't need to have tabs on the machine. The Amada laser doesn't need to do that because punching machines can have a problem where the parts separate from the sheet, so you leave tabs on. You then have processes involved to remove those tabs, which obviously takes time. So that's been in our calculations for payback, for improved productivity. So we're very excited, first and foremost. We're very excited about buying this new machinery, what it's going to do for the business. It will increase productivity, it will improve quality, and ultimately will improve our place in the marketplace. Automation is a big thing for us. It means that we can work out of hours with lights out. We have the auto loader on the sheet, so we do multiple offs of essentially different things but the same theme. So that tower of different parts and different sheets allows us to get more flexibility than unloading and manually loading, and it does pull back a lot of time for us in that area.
We've got a fibre laser, 3 kilowatt, 3 brake presses, and recently we bought a MPF stacker. In 10 years we've never felt the need to look elsewhere. Amada have been a great partner to our business and has provided us what we need to excel at what we do. Fundamentally, the kit's brilliant. You know, the level of kit, the quality of kit is great, but I think the service is another level on top of that. Whether it be breakdown or needing some advice on new bits of kit, or whether it be tooling, we've always had a great experience with doing that, and Chris has been superb at advising us and helping us get what we need to do the work that we need to do for our customers.
This is our first visit here today. I've been extremely impressed at just being able to have the facility to walk in, see everything being demonstrated live. It's all very well reading something or having James Campbell looks after us very well, you know, and he can come up and he can explain and we can get data sheets. But to be able to physically see something being worked and demoed, there's nothing like it. That's what you need before you're going to make that investment.
We've recently invested in 3 large capex machines for production supplied by Amada. When we came to the technology centre, saw the facilities and the staff and the professionalism, we were just blown away basically by how they deal with things, how they approached our questions, and it gave us full confidence to partner with these guys and invest with Amada in the long term. Automation, I think, is the future of manufacturing. The reliability, the upscale, the higher outputs, and the reduction in quality errors can all benefit from automation. With the integration with AI and other platforms, it can only get better when it starts to learn about itself. UK manufacturing is on the forefront of that with data centre development, so I think we just need to keep pushing to develop this further. It opens up a whole new avenue of products for us as a business. We can explore different sectors, we can manufacture anything really with sheet metal, so yeah, the future's bright.
So we've got key customers, we've got customers that are growing very quickly, and to help them grow and to help make sure that they're on the right path, we've arranged things like quarterly catch-ups. So now I'm actively going out and seeing customers every quarter to make sure they're happy with what we're doing. If there's anything else we can advise them and how we can support them to grow so quickly. It's growing together with our customers is a tagline. It's not just a phrase. That's what we're about. We are here to help people from day one all the way into the future.